Now, everybody, is how to take a life away. So first of all, you need to make sure you have a variable called lives, and you should display that variable as well. If you're not sure how to do that, please go back to the tutorial that says how to display a score or any variable. So we now have two variables. We have our score and we also have our lives, so those are displaying. But I want to lose a life if I touch a building. So first of all, you have to decide, how do you want to lose your lives? In my case, it's if you touch these buildings, you're going to lose a life. So we need to check if we are touching the buildings. Let's first add an if statement somewhere in your draw loop. And we want to know if one thing is touching the other. We're going to use the isTouching block. So we want to know if Ninja is touching the building. But of course, these will be your sprite names, so you'll have to change those. And what do we want to happen? Well, we want to lose a life. So we're going to go to variables, and we're going to say that lives equals lives minus 1. Okay, or you can also use the minus block. Same thing. And now you'll notice when I run it, we're going to lose lives when I touch the building. Now you'll notice, though, as long as I am touching the building, I am losing lives. So I don't want that to happen. So one way to fix this is to reset the building every time that you touch it. So if we are touching the building, we want to subtract the lives by 1, but also let us reset the sprite, the building, to the right side of the screen. Okay, so let's say building.x equals 500 maybe. And that will make sure it just touches it once, and now you have lost a life. You'll notice I don't lose it if I jump over it. All right, but if I do hit it, then I am going to lose a life. Okay? Maybe you want to add, last little thing, perhaps you want to add a little sound effect if you hit the building as well. Click the down arrow, and maybe I say, oof, I don't know, grunt. There we go. That's pretty cool. And now I'll lose a life, and it will play a sound. And there you go. That is pretty annoying.